Hi, fellow crafters, gather here. So, are you looking to do something exciting, a new embroidery project? Well, this one's for you. So I received this embroidery 3D puffy foam, and I'm going to be using this to create something really unique and beautiful. So if you're not already doing so, take a moment, hit that plus button to get notified the next time I post and to see more beginner-friendly projects. And also click on the yellow card right there and pick up one of these for yourself. So this comes in a pack of 15, and it comes in multiple colors. You have white, black, red, all the colors you're going to need. The great thing about this is it's 9 by 12, which means if you have a smaller machine like I do that embroiders or 5 by 7 area, this is perfect. You can just have it and use it for your project. So come along and let's get this done. Okay, so first you want to download your embroidery design. This just has my name, Joy. Now, I want to tell you, you are not going to be using the same embroidery design like you would for any other thing. You have to make sure that the one you purchase or the one you create is specifically designed for 3D puff foam. So I have this already downloaded, and I am going to go ahead and stitch this, or get it hooped and then stitch it onto
so here we go.
Project.
You're going to hoop your fabric onto your frame. Here I'm just trying to identify the middle of my actual pattern. So this is another pattern that I'm going to work on next week, but I just wanted to share this with you because I'm going to be doing this now, so I wanted you to see the full process. So once you've identified the middle of where you want your puff embroidery design to go in, you're going to go ahead, take that to your sewing machine. Now, for this project, I'm using a cutaway tearaway stabilizer because I really don't need a cutaway. And then you're going to take your 3D embroidery foam, puffy foam, and just put it directly on top of the area you want to have your design go on. So again, this is very easy. It's not complicated. Just go ahead and put it directly on top, like you see there, and I'm going to let the machine do its thing. The one that I do want to mention when you're doing 3D puffy design is that you want to watch it and make sure you're using a new needle. Why? Because this is doing a little more work than you would just a fabric project. So you want to make sure that your needle is sharp, it's new, and can get through everything. So this is what my design looks like. Obviously, I love it. The color just it's really popping, and I love the way it came out. So next thing I'm going to do is take things off of my frame right there, like you see there, my hoop. And then I'm going to just cut this a little bit closer so that I can take advantage of using the remaining foam for a later project. So again, like I said, this is 9 by 12, so you get a lot of it, and you can use it for multiple projects. So I'm cutting it into pieces that I can actually work with in the future. So that's another great thing about this. Once this is cut out, I am going to go ahead and pull this off. Be careful, you don't want to mess up your design, and just gently but with firm hands pull everything off of the design, and it's coming out just great. Like, I gotta tell you, I really love the way this turned out. So if you are looking to make a design that'll really pop, this is the one for you. Now, I've seen people iron this afterwards, but I really don't think you need to. I think it pops out just great. And this is what it looks like. So again, giving you that 3D effect, I want to show you what it looks like. It's raised from the main piece of fabric, and it looks great. So here's a comparison of what 3D looks like versus just a regular embroidery design. So this embroidery design, as you can see here, it's barely lifted off of the fabric. And this one here gives you the real true 3D effect. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Click on that yellow card to get yours today. Have a wonderful day.